How we doing, everyone? I'm Dario and this is MEDIABOXENT. We are back in the 70s and let's begin now. You know, this reminds me like you ever see those pictures from the Central Park back in the 70s, and you see actually people lay down on Central Park, all the hippie style, and actually playing records. Whether it's record or 8 tracks. That's what I feel. Get outdoor, get your records, and just play it. I mean, that's kind of cool. You know, I know it's from the 70s, but it feels like when you see those pictures, right? So what we got today, we got the record player, USB. You can record. You got all your LPs. You just go record it right in your computer, or you can just go there and bring it outdoors. I mean, I would love to play this a little louder than what's playing now, but because we know this copyright situation, they will kill the video. But let me play for 1 second, being outdoors. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. And we can just go and just go and it has a feel when you play like a vinyl, right? It has a different feel. Just grab the needle and just put in some of the tracks and just play the sound, right? And you get all these cool records, right? You can not only play, but you can make it those in an MP3 version. Definitely, this is a cool. It's like everything is retro. So if you're looking at retro and also a new style, because also in the back, and let me show you the backs. Let's turn this off. Let's take the record out for 1 second. We turn this off. Runs a battery. You charge this with the USB cable. Comes with an extra needle. And right in the back, if you look right in the back, you have the 2 RCA outputs, so you can go and connect it to your own stereo, and the USB to the PC. You can record your MP3s in MP3 format. I mean the records in MP3 format, the PC output, and even you can put headphones right over here, or you can come put I don't know, with another type of input. Let's say an iPad or something else. You can have the input, and right in the front, if you look, we got the 2 speakers. And we got the record here. You have automatic. They have 78, 45, and 33. You switch right over here. The old thing when you just go like this and you love it, and you just go like this, and it slowly will start playing your record. Even comes with the adapter of the 45. So if you want to be like the 70s, feel like the 70s, you want to bring your old record back alive, why not be outdoor? I mean, playing this. Playing all these soundtracks and with that beautiful lake in the back, it's definitely it can bring a lot of memories. So if you need more information about this cool retro new tech, check the link below.